Good morning, Angel. This is Max at Loganville Ford. This is a F-250. You said you'd like to see the interior of the truck. Here it is. It is in gray color. 110 outlet in the back. You got vents. Rear sliding window. Power driver seat. Center console. Trailer brake controls, uplifter switches, 4x4 on the dash. Once again, Angel, this is Max at Loganville Ford, and this is the truck that we've been talking about. That's the interior of the truck. Door keyless entry. This is the F-250 we've been talking about. Angel, if you have any question about the truck, please give me a call. Max here at Loganville Ford, 770-554-9994. And one other thing is, this truck does have a tailgate step that you pull it out and step in the bed. Thanks, Angel. Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.